Hi, today let's make super tasty masala puris. In a mixing bowl, you need to add in wheat flour. Next, I'll add in some salt along with some turmeric powder, chili powder. Then I'll add in some cumin seeds along with some kasuri methi. And then what you need to do is mix all the dry ingredients really very well. This is a very nice recipe for breakfast, or if you're traveling, it's very good to carry as well. Next, I'm adding in a little bit of oil and then giving it a good mix. As I told previously, dry ingredients mix well, then add a little bit of oil and combine it. Now I'll start adding in water as well. Immediately don't add a lot of water. Slowly, little by little, add in water and knead it into a smooth dough. Once your dough is ready, add a little bit of oil on top of it and again knead it into a smooth dough and let it rest for at least 10 minutes so that you'll get your crispy, perfect kind of puris. Now it's been 10 minutes. Let's start rolling our puris. I've taken a small portion of the dough and then I'm rolling into the puris, and then that's it. You just need to transfer the puris into your hot oil and fry your puris. Your perfect crispy fluffy masala puri is ready to serve. You can have it with pickles, chutneys, any aloo bhaji or anything of your choice. And if you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This is perfect snack, lunch and tiffin breakfast recipes. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.